How to set up Amazon Prime Watch Party. So, if you want to set up Amazon Prime Watch Party or watch movies with your friends, then just follow this process. So, Watch Party is available through the Prime Video app on various devices and platforms. The first is Fire TV device, Android phones and tablets, iPhones and iPads, Fire tablets, desktop, web browsers, except for Internet Explorer and Safari. So, in order to watch, first you need to open up your Prime Video application or open up your Amazon Prime Video on any eligible device. After that, make sure that you've signed in. Now, you need to enter a movie or TV show title in the search bar. It looks like a magnifier on the top right. After that, you need to open the movie info menu and click the watch party option represented by a celebrate icon, which is right here on the bottom left. So you just need to simply click on the celebrate icon. After that, you need to go with create watch party, which is on the bottom right. After that, you need to go with share link. Under share link, you need to select email, Facebook, or Twitter, any option that you are comfortable with. Or you can also go with copy link. So email a watch party invite link or post it on your Facebook or Twitter. You can also copy the link and share it with your friends group on WhatsApp or Telegram. After that, go with the details. Go to the details menu to check the number of participants joining the watch party. After everyone joins, click the play button to start the video. And after that, move the chat menu to start a conversation with your friends. You can also check all watch party live updates, such as who joined and left and paused or forwarded the video. If you want to end it, you need to click on End Watch Party when the movie or TV show is over and confirm your decision. And in this way, you'll be able to set up your Amazon Prime Watch Party. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.